What's up, traders? Welcome back to RawStocks. Today we're diving into high probability trade setups using options data and gamma and delta and key technical levels. And I just want to give a shout out to Gamma Edge because without them we wouldn't be able to make this video. We got 3 tickers for today, and you guys can keep a lookout, mark these levels out on your charts, grab a notebook, do whatever. But going into this, we have multiple scenarios playing out. So if price moves above this area, and comes back down, we would want to make our entry to the downside, and we would want price to stay below 201.50, right around here. We want price to stay below this level, and then getting down, we'd want to target 200. Our stop loss on this would be 202.50. Now for the upside trigger, we want to see a 3 to 5 minute candle close above 202.60. And your stop loss, you can manage your own position. Didn't create a stop loss for this one, but getting a 3 to 5 minute candle close above this level, we can go ahead and make our entry, and then we can go ahead and target 205. And then just wanted to give some key data right here. This plan relies on gamma edges strong negative gamma and price under zero jacks. So if VIX collapse or tech reverses broadly, be ready to cut quickly. Do not hold through the chop of 202.50. Now I wrote that up for you guys, not here to teach you gamma and delta. If you would like to do all that stuff, just click the links below. Next one is coin. Now, coin overall had a lot of positive gamma and positive delta ever since we got this explosive move to the upside, pushed us into a positive gamma environment. So we have our triggers right here. Our break above this level is we're wanting to see a 3 to 5 minute candle close above this level, and then we can target 278. And then our secondary target can be 280 if that's something you would want to target. And then for our downside target, we would want to see a 3 to 5 minute candle close below this level, and then our stop loss is up here, and vice versa. So, the close above this level is going to be our stop loss on this level. And then our close below this level is going to be our stop on this one. And we got our targets 267 and 260. And then you can see some of the contracts that I was looking at, 280 calls or 265 puts. And then you want your trigger for the calls above 275 and below 270. Next one is Amazon. All right, Amazon, we got our trigger. We want to see a 3 to 5 minute candle close to the upside and target 204.98. Our stop loss on this one's going to be 201. And then our trigger to the downside, 3 5 minute candle close below this level. And then we'd want to see our target to the downside at 197. And our stop loss on this downside trade is going to be at 203.43. Take pause, screenshot, whatever. Thank you guys for watching, and click the links below.